Hello, class 6. Welcome to week number 9, and we're going to continue with Prezi videos. Guys, there's no way that you can create a video and you're not presenting it. So you are involved in each and every step of the process, from creating it, putting in pictures, designing it, and once you finish with that, the final part is to share it with the people. And once you guys are old, you're going to go into different places where you have to explain your videos to the presenters or to whoever that you're going to be selling your idea to. So now, this week we're going to then video record ourselves and explain our presentations. Our presentations, we need to explain it in details. Take people step by step. What are we talking about? What's happening? And why is that person a role model? So let's get started. How do we do that? So you're going to open your presentation like I did right here. And once you get to your presentation, you're going to go right up here at the top where it says create video. Then you will click on create video. It's going to ask you, would you like to create one? I want to appear with my content. So it means your presentation is right on the side, like right here, and then you appear on the side. Or you want to create a video where your face is not on the presentation. So you will choose whichever you like. You click on it, either the one with your face on it or the one without the face on it. So it's your choice. Go for the one that you feel comfortable with. Okay, so I'm feeling comfortable with the one that my face is on. Then I click on it. Then you click on continue. After that, it's going to bring you to this page where it says Prezi video puts you right along your content for an interactive and immersive experience like no other. You then click get started. Okay, get started. Now you need to if your face is right on you want your face to be on the content on your presentation, then you will click allow camera. Right, then you click allow again. Okay, and now you get here to the place where it says, do you want to record? And my face, I'm right behind my information, and you're going to go down to the bottom where it says record video. Then it's going to load. Then it's going to load, and now it's ready to start. Guys, if you're doing this, it's going to take you quite a while to do it. I mean, to get to the perfection that you want. So I'm going to encourage you guys, when you make mistakes, do not stop. When you make mistakes while you're recording, do not stop. Continue. Continue recording. Don't worry. It's for the first time us doing this, so there will be a lot of mistakes. I tell you, there will be a lot of mistakes. I remember when I did my first lesson on here, my first video, it was a lot of mistakes. I stopped it. I started from scratch. I stopped. I started from scratch. I stopped. Started from scratch. It took me about 4 or 5 hours to get at least a better video that I wanted. So for you guys, I'm encouraging you. If you see mistakes, you're not happy, continue. Okay. Once you're happy, you fixed yourself, you fixed your hair, you fixed your eyebrows, and now you're ready to present. That's when you're going to come and hit this button here. And you'll start presenting. Here, and it's gonna count 1 to 5. I'm on 3, 2, 1. Then you start talking. Junior school after school activities. So I'm going to speak about 6 different activities that we are going to that are happening in the junior school. There's basketball. There's coding. There's football, swimming, athletics, and public speaking or debating. So I will start with basketball. Then you're going to click right here at the bottom. Okay, so I'll start with basketball. Basketball is a team sport in which 2 teams most. Then you describe, you explain in details. When you're done doing this, then you click next. This arrow is going to take you to another one. The picture of basketball. You say, okay, this is when we went to the competition at whatever school, and we did very well. And we move to the next one. So complete. So okay, then the pictures, just like that. Once you're done, once you finished, guys, once you finished your recording and you're happy with it, no, just when you finish your recording, you're going to click done recording. Done recording, then it's going to show you, do you want to play it just to check it out? And it's you right there talking over your content or your presentation. Once you're happy with that, you're going to click save video. The video is saved, still processing. Okay, now the video is perfect and you're happy with it. Last thing that you need to do is to submit. Remember, last time on your Prezi guys, you submitted a link. So I'm going to ask you again to submit a link. So this one, the link is right here. Right here, you're going to click on copy link. It says copied. Then you're going to go to Google Classroom and you will submit the link. Guys, be creative, take time, do not put pressure on yourself. Recording a video with your face on it or recording a video for the first time, it needs a lot of patience. So be patient yourself, and remember, you have a week to do this. The work is due on Friday. So you've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You've got 4 days to do this. Take your time, relax, and be creative. I will see you in the next lesson. For now,